Time Survivor demo is available on Steam right now, and we are currently holding a speedrunning competition with Steam keys for the full release as prizes. Since the last devlog, we have added a whole new minute of content, new enemies, new abilities, and so much more. Wishlist the full game on Steam and subscribe to always stay updated. Now, let's dive into the devlog. We left off from the Timekeeper fight, and it was time to add more content for the second minute. Starting off version 0.2a with a new enemy, the Elite Dasher. The Elite Dasher is a stronger version of a normal Dasher. It has more stats and is more intelligent. It stops in the last position it saw you at in its line of sight. Also, later on, it will gain more charges to dash at you 3 consecutive times before recharging. Then, we added over 30 new upgrades to expand the way you play. For example, Dash Trail, the ability stolen from the Timekeeper Dasher, allowing you to deal damage even when using Dash for dodging. Dash Max Charges. Similar to the Elite Dashers, you can stack up to 3 dash charges to dash multiple times consecutively. Dash Overload. Hold to charge up a dash overload. When fully charged, consume all your dash charges to deal massive amounts of damage. We also made a lot of balance changes to Minute 1 to smooth out the progression and adjusted the difficulty of the first boss, and also added the time reversal mechanic. During each boss fight, time goes backwards, and if it reaches 0, it is game over. Timekeepers deal time damage rather than energy damage, giving you less time to beat them. Speaking of bosses, we added a new one, the Elite Timekeeper Dasher. Like the other Timekeeper, it leaves a trail behind, but with the behavior of the Elite Dasher and more dash charges. It also has a second phase once it reaches 50% energy, in which it will also dash teleport, phasing through walls and reappearing on the other side of the time arena while leaving trails, making it very challenging to navigate without taking time damage. Next up, with the 0.2b update, we brought in some great quality of life features. We added resources collected and enemies killed on the game over screen to have a better feel of progression. We also updated our settings menu and added key bindings. We also improved visuals, like jetpack particles for dashers, and added a time core at the center of each timekeeper. In patch 0.2c, among some more polishing, we launched the global leaderboard, so you can now compare your runs time with players all over the world, which is very important as Time Survivor was designed to be speedrun. Meanwhile, we started getting more visibility thanks to reaching first spot on best incremental games on each, and also from videos of content creators like Idle Cub, which we sincerely thank for their help. Meanwhile, we got around 2,000 wishlists on Steam, and the game was much more polished than version 0.1, so it was time for the Steam demo release. In patch 0.2d, we added full joypad support and Steam achievements to reward your progress. UI improvements made everything clearer, with bold labels, icons, and better readability in the leaderboard, where your own runs are highlighted. We also made restarting smoother. You can skip animations or press spacebar to restart instantly. We adjusted the audio mixing of everything. In particular, Timekeeper attacks stand out better from all the other sounds. We also made a huge balance change, where we reworked the scaling of player damage and enemy energy a lot. Patch 0.2e was smaller, but still important. We improved zooming on the upgrade tree for easier navigation. We also released a Mac build of the game and fixed a bunch of bugs. Finally, version 0.2f focused on polishing the upgrade tree. We made various improvements, making much clearer to see new upgrades, which ones can be upgraded, and also made some cool animations when discovering or maxing upgrades. We have come a long way. From a small prototype which started as a game jam, to releasing the demo on Steam with over 2,000 wishlists. I can't thank enough everyone who supports us in our journey. But this is just the beginning. We will now start working on the full release of the game, which will have 10 minutes worth of content, over 200 new upgrades, and many more enemies and challenging bosses. Speaking of which, here is a sneak peek of Minute 3. A new enemy joins the time arena, the Exploder, which will chase you and explode when it reaches you. The Elite Timekeeper stolen ability, Dash Teleport, allowing you to teleport to the other side of the arena to escape from danger. A new ability, Energy Explosion. Consume your energy to create an explosion around you, dealing massive damage. And much, much more. Thanks for following us in our journey. If you haven't yet, go check out the Steam demo and wishlist the full release. Also, join us on Discord to stay updated and get early access to new content as playtesters. That's it for this devlog, and as always, thank you for playing.